I've got an original Thai Beanie Baby. Fetch. It's a little puppy dog. Let's see, we got 1998 Thai PE pellets. Cool little guy. Roof, roof. Pet him on the belly. Let's set him down real quick. We're going to check out how nice this tag is. Get a little bit of the light on it. Alright, set him down. Let's open this up very gently. Very carefully. There we go. Alright. February 4th, 1997. And of course, we store them in a Ziploc bag here. Keep a little bit of air in there just for the extra cushion. Keep them stored in a shallow Tupperware. That way they don't get crushed. Stuff's stacked on top of them. Let me lid. Appreciate y'all watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.